Alright, time to build a simple circuit. So the schematic we'll be using is right here. I don't know if we can read that. So we're gonna need a resistor, LED, and some sort of power here. This is not really legible, but I'll put everything in. Need some LED, and there are some more resistor here. This is a 1 ohm resistor, so I'm gonna take one out right here. And we have some LEDs, so I'm gonna use let's go with the green one. I kind of like the green for some reason. All right, so we want to respect the polarity, otherwise the whole thing won't work. So I have some wire. To be honest, I don't need the wires, but for the sake of polarity, we're gonna be using them. All right, let's go with the LED first. So I'm gonna put this one. I got a new helper hand. These are really cool. So the LED, the long the long leg is the positive one, and then the short one is kind of like negative. I mean, when you talk about electronic, they go like cathode and anode. Okay, don't say positive and negative. Wouldn't make any sense at all. But hey, we are not serious here, are we? Yeah, maybe little. Everything you do in life, just gotta be serious no matter what it is. So that's how you make it through life. Okay, take everything serious. Otherwise, you just gonna be wasting your time. Don't take everything as a fun thing to do. Maybe some of it better. All right, here we go. This one is ready to go. That's why I love this happening. They're really cool and stable. All right, I got my solder ready to go. Oh shit, I forgot the film instructor and all of that. All right, give me a second to kind of set that up. And last one. There we go. Let me see if I can use this one. Oh, this is cool. Can use that. That's pretty nice. Okay, now we're good to go. Shall we? All right, let's go ahead and then get oh shit. Okay, let's go. There you go. Just hit one side and apply solder to the other side. Okay, easy going. There you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, the film's not doing its job. Maybe I should get a little bit closer. Let me put this one back here. Now get the film a little closer to us. Okay, so it kind of soak out the whole film because you don't wanna inhale that thing. All right, let me go ahead and add more solder to this, and that should be good. Okay, there we go. Really cool. Oh shit, my solder got stuck on that thing. There you go. First step, that went well. Put this solder. Let me take it out. And there we go. Positive. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna add the resistors. So let me just be able to go there. So that a little bit. The resistor leg is kind of a little bit long, so let me kind of trim it out, some of it. And I like this thing actually. Resistor doesn't have polarity, so I can just put that thing in the circuit the way I want it to. So there we go. That's chopped up. Okay, so I'm gonna put it this way, and there we go. Oh shit. All right, and we got it close, and what we need now, apply some solder to it, and it should be good. Okay, all right, so that's going in, and let's say that it's no rocket science. This thing's cool. Now we have our resistors, and the last thing we need is just add some more wires, and that will be it. More wires, more wires. That's cool. I'm gonna add the black one just for the sake of polarity. Okay, so as we know, diode conduct electricity. I mean some diode, of course. This one is the LED conduct um, electricity in one direction, so we got to respect the polarity, otherwise it wouldn't work. Okay, let me clean the tip of my iron, and it's warm up, it's ready to go. Okay, now I want to apply solder to one side, and the solder go to the other side. Let me not. I got. Okay, there we go. So, I don't know. They got it. Whoa. Wow. Those alligator clip are really strong. I mean, I should add some plastic to it, but it's okay. There you go. Now we got our circuit ready to go. Okay. I don't know about this. Okay. We got the LED, the resistors, and then the wires. What is left? Just add some power to it. So let's see if I can use one of my lithium battery. I got the 18650 right here, which I've been using for a while now. Lithium battery, gotta be careful, otherwise you're gonna bad thing gonna happen. So we gotta respect the polarity here. Here we go. Positive, go right there, and I don't know. Okay, let's see if it's working or not. Positive, shouldn't be that hard. Come on, there we go. It is on. I think the resistor is kind of a little bit too small. The LED is too bright, and I don't think this will last an hour. Okay, yeah, it's too bright, and that's a problem. But it's okay, it's kind of working. So here we go. That's your little circuit. LED, resistors, and some wires, and that's it. Next time maybe we'll do some more fun stuff. All right.